class, we did the demonstration of the handheld dynamometer showing force output changes after stretching for 10 seconds. And I had a lot of you ask, well, what about foam rolling? Why shouldn't people foam roll? Here's your answer. So, push hard, 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 hard. Go, 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 go. So, force output for gluteus medius, 39.8. We're gonna foam roll left IT band 10 times. So 39.8, we're gonna foam roll 10 times, see what happens to force output. So remember what's happening here on the physiological level when you're forcing muscles to relax with either foam rolling, stretching, massage, Theragun. You're going to decrease force output, as we're gonna see here in a second. And push, go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Okay, so we went from 39.8 to 32.6 in just 10 reps there, and that's gluteus medius, and he didn't even roll his gluteus medius. So that's what you're doing when you're forcing muscles to relax. You're causing inhibition, which decreases force output, increases risk of injury, and prolongs recovery.